How to fix Zoom virtual background not showing. So if you want to fix your Zoom virtual background not showing, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser, then search for Zoom. Go with www.zoom.com. From here, you need to make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, go with the profile, which will be in the top, and then go with settings. Once you're in your settings, you need to go with the meeting settings right here. Under meetings, you need to go and select virtual background or background option. Scroll down a bit under your in meeting settings and you will find the option. Once you find the virtual background option, you need to just simply go and turn it on. Allow the use of videos as virtual background. Once you've done this, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't work, then if you're using the application, you need to update your Zoom application to the latest version. After updating, the problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't work, then you need to go with your browser. If you're using Zoom on your browser, you can go with the three dots, which will be in the top, and then scroll down a bit, go with settings. Under settings, go with privacy and security, go with delete browsing data, and then delete all of your browsing data. After deleting, your problem might be fixed. Or you can go with your extensions. Go with the three dots and then go with the extensions. Go with manage extensions. If you have any extensions that you don't use, then just simply go and remove the extensions. After removing, your problem might be fixed. Or just simply go and uninstall your Zoom application, and after uninstalling, install it again and log into your account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.